We have completed our designing part of our project. Now we are going to create the database and the tables for our project. We have used MySQL database for our project. First we have to start the MySQL server. To start the MySQL server, we have to open the xampp server. Go to start, type xampp that we have already installed. Select the xampp control panel. Now we have to start the MySQL server and Apache. Start. Both MySQL server and Apache should become green. Give allow access. Now Apache and MySQL are in green color. Now we have to open the browser. I am going to use Chrome. We have started the MySQL server. Now we are going to create the database named school. Type http :/localhost /phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin. This is the database control panel. We can create a database. In the left side window, click New. Here we have to give the database name school. Click Create. Now the database is created, but this database do not have any tables. We have to create the table for this database. We have completed the create database school. The next step, create the following tables. We have to create the table student, mark, attendance and fees. We have to create 4 tables in this database. We will create the tables in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.